This has no reference order.
This is Prakash, Rajasthan.
Manipur has no reference order.
And 501.4, the 2 judges deferred. It went to 3. 3 said place it before 5.
Yes, Lord.
In view of the reference
in view of the reference in the first matter. Then 5 is Lord Kerala High Court. Again, Lord relates to district judges selection in 2017. 4 matters, Lord, same selection. And the 5th is from Gujarat High Court. Relate selection of post of district judge junior division in 2021 and 2022. 3 matters from there.
So, except for 501.8, which deals with the National Council for Educational Research and Training, all other matters pertain to the high courts.
Please, Lord.
I mean, high courts as the case may be the district judiciary.
Yes.
All right.
Yes.
Now you've formulated now.
If I may intervene.
Just 1 second. Don't talk out of turn. Now tell us now among the seniors who are appearing. Just let's have an idea of who is appearing on this side and who is appearing on the other side. Who is appearing in support of the plea which the high courts are taking? We have Mr. Vijay Hansaria for the state of Manipur.
Manipur High Court.
Just 1 second. Let's take that down.
High Court of Manipur, not state.
Sorry. Yes.
Yes.
So we have Mr. Vijay Hansaria for the High Court of Manipur.
Yes.
Then who's appearing for the Rajasthan High Court? All right, Mr. Sunil Jain. Sunil Kumar Jain. For the Rajasthan High Court. Right. Okay, that we got. Now, who's appearing for the Patna High Court? Mr. Gaurav Agarwal.
It doesn't arise to matter. I leave it to the petitioners to ask. Is that there's an application actually to detach this matter.
Oh, I see.
1.1 because this issue doesn't arise, but
yes, but that's an issue pertaining to evaluation process. This is not concerning to the matters which are listed here.
So we can then detach the Patna High Court matter?
Yes, this issue of rule of change of rules of the game doesn't apply there, but subject to the petitioners arguing. They can
Mr. Sharma is in fact appearing in
501.1.
Who's appearing for the petitioners in 501.12?
But according to me, the broad questions to that all the High Court assist your lordships, because the issues arise, so there will have an impact on.
Mr. Agarwal, are you ready? You are ready with the point also, right?
There's no material on the basis on which it has to be argued. I'm here.
No, on the principle. On the principle,
this doesn't arise, so I don't know. I can address your lordship generally.
To assist us. That's what I was trying. So we will say that we are dealing. We will delink 501.1. What we will do is, we'll retain 501.1 and 501.12 on the board.
Please do.
All right. Because we also want to ensure that our counsel who assist us can sort of mark a docket at the end of the hearing. So,
pleasure to assist.
So we'd like, all right. So, and then at the end, we will delink, go yaad rakhna, 501.1 and 501.12 we will delink. Now, so
my lords, also 501.15, my lords, I apologize to interrupt.
Now, Guwahati, who's appearing for the High Court? Mr. Jose, right? Mr. Jose is 201. Mr. Jose, yes. Right. And then we are left with which High Court? Kerala.
Yes.
Kerala and Gujarat.
And Manipur.
My lords, for Gujarat High Court, I appear in 501.15. My lords, this is also a separate matter where the 2011 rules of the Gujarat Judicial Examination has been challenged. The rules of the game question is not an issue here, my lords.
Oh, 201 point?
501.15, my lords. Which is Kirti Agarwal and others versus High Court of Gujarat.
501.16. Does this issue arise in 1-4? That arises.
My lords, in fact, in point 15, the same question with respect to the challenge to the rules is pending before another bench, my lords, in writ petition civil number 663 of 2021, my lords. So our matter may be tagged along with that and be heard along with that, my lords, because this question is similar to the question being decided therein.
What we will do is that we will just detag these matters. So 501.15, maybe we will detag them at the end. Yes. Because, after the arguments are heard, very briefly in 2 minutes, we look at all the matters and then decide what is to be detagged. Because for all we know that, something might, incidentally arise here.
Touch upon the Lord's.
So,
overlap quite a few.
May I come in for Manipur for half a minute?
just 1 second. So for Gujarat, we have Shraddha Deshmukh. Anybody else for the Gujarat High Court in these three matters? Shraddha, you are appearing for all the three matters?
My lords, I'm appearing for the petitioners in this case, not for the Gujarat.
Not for the High Court. Petitioners, Lord, will just, anybody who's for the Gujarat High Court? Dipanvita normally appearing. All right. In Rajasthan, we have Sunil Kumar Jain and Pawan Shreya. So we have now the list of people who are arguing for the High Court.
Manipur, I need to clarify something. Manoj.
Yes.
Manipur, Manoj, there is a difference of opinion.
Party is
Page
close.
501.4.
Yes.
Manoj, Manipur High Court, the slight difference in this matter is stage Prakash would be stage 2 if stage 1 is crossed, because the judges differed on all 3 points which were raised in the matter. This is Bhanumati Ashi then was held against us, against the petitioner. Justice Shivkit Singh as he then was held in our favor on all 3 points. They differed on all 3 points. So stage 1 was whether they, by executive instructions, 309 rules could be overwritten. That's the stage 1. If they cross that, then stage Prakash would come. The rules of the game is the second stage at that, and then procedural unfairness. On all 3 issues were raised before the court.
Therefore, we will have to decide the constitution. We'll keep this matter with us.
Yes, Manoj.
Because our decision on stage 2,
Yes.
You're right, it may not arise until stage 1 is crossed.
That's right.
But we'd like to have the assistance on.
Very well, I'll be here. I'll be here on
And
that.
eventually we'll send it to the 2-judge bench. To hear the
3 judges because of the
3
difference
judges.
of
Yes,
opinion.
the 3-judge bench.
I just wanted to place it on record so that
Right.
it's not that we have to only argue with Prakash. We have
So that is a serial number.
that is 501.4 minutes. That's the Manipur.
Go to the 3 judges.
Manipur.
The larger issue is of the full court reference recommendation, which did
Right.
not amend the rules. I'll argue that also if your lordship were to
All
deal
right.
with it.
And Mr. Natraj, who are you appearing for?
Although in the matters direct role in the particular issue, but the larger issue.
We'll require your assistance on that. So you please be there so that, because this will also affect you in other service matters. It just so happens that these are broadly only High Court matters except for one.
Apart from this was not it was challenged by the included in the final deciding the color. Was granted by Rajasthan High Court and the judgment of came to
That nothing apart from the English marks could be considered.
the conclusion is that the English mark again was, but first time the committee has decided making the English qualifying mark, considering overall impact of all of it. Are not.
All right, that's our individual facts. We really need to address on the.
Therefore,
Anyway, we're not looking at individual cases. We'll see the case. So now, what we can,
No.
all right. All right. So what we'll do now is this. The lawyers who are appearing for the private parties in all these matters, please give us your appearances on a slip of paper. We just wanted to know, broadly, who's appearing for the High Court so that we have everybody present here to at least start the arguments. So now, we can hear Mr. Vijay Hansaria for the High Court.
Yes,
Mr. Nataraj, would you like to go first, or Mr. Hansaria will argue first so that you have some, because you don't have a live matter.
Some of those might come on later.
All right, so we can hear Mr. Hansaria, then we can hear Mr. Who would like to go after that? Mr. Sunil Kumar Jain. Then we have Gaurav Agarwal, Jose, Sheshadri Naidu, and Deepandita. So 5
Would you
councillors.
like to hear the petitioners first, because
We can do that, no difficulty.
because they'll have to respond to the changes that they are supposed to have made in each High Court.
So what we can do is we can only request Mr. Hansaria, who has formulated the questions,
Yes.
to show us what his formulation is.
Very
We
good.
can share it with all of you. If somebody wants some little change, you can.
Someone here on this side, who all will appear.
And for the petitioners, Haripriya, will you just take it upon yourself to tell us, Mr. Chidambaresh? Mr. Chidambaresh will be appearing for the petitioners in the Kerala matter. All right. Who are going to be appearing for the petitioners, and how long would you take? So we'll start then with the petitioners, because technically, you have to start first.
I've seen the questions, my lord.
No, whoever is wanting to appear on this.
Who's for the petitioners now, tell
Give
us.
us the details so that you will collate and then tell us.
Now, for the petitioners, who will open the arguments?
Kerala matter, I will open that. Because my item is 05 and 06, 501. Petition.
You are in 06 for the petitioners.
Because 5 and 6, there are batch of matter. 5 and 6.
So Kerala for the petitioners, Dinesh, Haripriya, and Ragan Basant are going to be appearing. Mr. Chidambaresh also. All right, no problem. We'll hear you. Now, in the other cases, for Rajasthan, Patna, Guwahati, and Gujarat, who are for the petitioners?
But I am for the Patna petitioner in Patna High Court matter.
So on the side of the petitioners, please give your not appearances, but just a small note to Ms. Haripriya Padmanabhan, so she can prepare it in a consolidated way and give it to us so that we can call out matters seriatim then.
I would.
State-wise.
State-wise. Right.
We'll finish Kerala, then go to.
So on behalf of the state, on behalf of the petitioners, we'll go state-wise. All right. So we can perhaps do Kerala first. I think Kerala will be better.
Yeah, because you have Chidambaresh, you have Dinesh, you have Anselo.
I would rather have Manipur at the end, my lords, because
All
I have
right.
some additional points.
No problem, Mr.
Independent of those
Mukherjee.
6 questions, which I'll
Absolutely.
formulate and give it to you.
So
All
we'll
right.
do Kerala first.
We'll do Kerala.
So either in the beginning or in the end, because I'm the clerical staff and I'm different from others.
All right.
Tej Prakash here.
We'll take up each set. So what we will do now is, so first we will take up Kerala.
Lord, I have formulated the question.
Just once again. So the order will be, we will first take up Kerala, then we will take up Rajasthan, then we can take up.
Subject to your lordship, please. What I was submitting is, my lord, the submissions.
Just 1 second.
Broadly,
We are just telling, we'll take up Kerala, Rajasthan, Patna, then Guwahati. Then we can say tentatively Guwahati,
Manipur and.
Gujarat and Manipur. Yes.
You can't be converting Assam, it's Guwahati High Court, it's not Assam High Court.
Yeah, it is Guwahati High Court.
Can I point out one thing?
May I point out one thing?
May I
Batch
say
of
this,
matters.
that Mrs. Naidu will be available only in the afternoon, for appearing.
Petitioners are going to
Petitioners are
start, so therefore
starting,
there
and
won't be
Mr.
difficulty.
Naidu is for the High Court, so he can come.
May I point out one thing?
Yes.
All this batch of matters,
Kerala, Rajasthan, Patna, Guwahati, Gujarat and Manipur.
in all these batch of matters, the situations are different from each high courts where they have interpreted.
Right.
So ultimately, the reference is also, bit vague, unless what exactly is the reference and how it is
You'll
applicable.
read the reference order.
Yes.
We'll read the reference order by Justice Chalmeshwar's,
That will be possible.
yes.
Necessary. And the fact situations each.
Then we will have to see a little bit of the fact situation for all the states
Yeah.
actually, because, we can't just decide it in the abstract. All right.
Those of many.
Yeah.
Not so much.
Some of the broad